Come on, guys. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, Joe.
Oh my goodness, video. My advice. I definitely don't die.
Your right foot. No, your other, yeah.
Mia's up there.
Up. Push up. Try to reach for the other one. You want to try the easy?
Mia's going up there. Go, Mia! Dun. Be careful, Mia.
Gotta put.
You almost hit Tommy. I'm putting this on YouTube, Mia. Come on, Della. Well, it's just a kicker. Donna, make her down.
Nope, try to get back over to the right. Back over to the right. Can't go that far.
Mia, you're pretty good at this, I have to admit.
Why is this so hard?
Come on, Della.
Get your foot on that. Can you get your foot on that? Now push up.
Oh my gosh.
Grab onto the plastic.
That was fun.
That was really fun.
It was funny looking at you guys.